Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make money using Rainbow Wallet. But before we get started, if you find the tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the MEXC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. So the first step is to download your wallet either from your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you have, okay? But before anything, I need you to understand that the Rainbow token is officially live, okay? This is my Rainbow wallet right here, so let's just click it. So just like I told you, the Rainbow token is officially live. In fact, they already dropped 15% of the total supply straight to users based on their loyalty points. So how do we position ourselves for the next payout without burning much on gas fees? It's simple. We use the base network strategy. As Rainbow is heavily favoring layer 2 networks right now, well, if you don't know what layer 2s are, they are networks like Base, Optimism, Arbitrum that are built on the Ethereum chain to make transactions fast and cheap. So stop doing those, expensive swaps on the Ethereum mainnet where you lose $10 to $20. Instead, move your funds right over to Base or Arbitrum right inside the wallet, okay? Right inside the wallet. Move those funds from Arbitrum to either Base or any layer 2 chain right inside your wallet, okay, guys? So guys, every time you use cheap networks, you are stacking fresh season 2 points. Just try to do 1 or 2 clean swaps a week to keep your wallet active on their radar, okay? So you could see that my Rainbow wallet has some little amount of base ETH. So if I wish to make a swap, I'll just, tap this swap option. Then swap my base ETH to any base token of my choice, okay? So if, for instance, I wish to swap my base ETH to, let's say, Rainbow token or this repo token, I'll just click Rainbow and then I'll input the amount of base ETH I wish to swap for Rainbow token, okay? So you just input the amount and then you click on this hold to swap option, okay? Guys, understand that one of the major ways to position yourself for the next payout is by consistently using the swap and bridge features, okay? So ensure you use this, over and over again so you don't get flagged as a bot, okay? Now, another way you could use to make money using Rainbow Wallet is by staking Rainbow tokens, okay? So let's head back. So how can you stake your Rainbow tokens? You tap the icon at the bottom right of your screen. You deposit some Rainbow tokens by tapping buy. You then swap your base ETH or whatever layer 2 project your wallet is funded with for Rainbow, okay, guys? So you just input the amount of Rainbow you wish to stake and you can lock them up right inside the app to unlock their tiered membership system, okay? It basically rewards you in 2 big ways. First is the cashback, okay? Depending on how much you stake, or you get sorted into tiers from silver all the way to black, which gives you up to 100% cashback on your transaction fees, okay? What exactly are cashback fees? Cashback are fee refunds. If you meet their staking requirements, the platform calculates how much gas you spent and refunds a percentage, okay, guys? And second is the fee share, and this is the best part. Whenever someone decides to unstake their tokens, the network hits them with a 10% exit fee. That fee doesn't go to the founders, okay? It gets distributed directly to everyone who is still staking. It's an incredible way to grow your bag passively, and that's basically it, guys. on how to make money using your Rainbow wallet as a beginner, okay? This brings us to the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.